Hi everyone, Sejal this side. Welcome to Sports Diary for latest updates. IPL 2021 RCB playing 11 versus Mumbai Indians. Virat Kohli to choose between Mohammad Azharuddin and Finn Allen as an opening partner. Devdutt Padikkal's positive COVID-19 test report and subsequent delay in return to squad have put Royal Challengers Bangalore captain Virat Kohli in a dilemma. Should he give another newcomer Mohammad Azharuddin a chance or open with Kiwi batsman Finn Allen and risk losing an overseas player in the playing 11 against Mumbai Indians in the IPL 2021 opener? While Devdutt Padikkal's absence in the first match will be a big blow, especially when he has been in a sublime form. He scored 737 runs in 7 innings in the Vijay Hazare Trophy for Karnataka, including 4 centuries and 3 50s. Padikkal has carried his IPL 2020 form where he scored 473 runs in 15 matches at an average of 31.53. With Virat Kohli declaring his intent to the public to open for RCB, he now has to choose a partner who could provide a solid opening. RCB's opening woes aren't new. In the last few seasons, RCB have struggled to find set openers. But with Devdutt Padikkal, they found a new uncapped batsman who could deliver as promised. But in his absence, now the RCB will be forced to find Virat Kohli a partner. Let's look at the two options. First, Mohammad Azharuddin. The Kerala batsman has been on RCB's radar for long as per Mike Hesson, RCB's Director of Cricket Operations. He is not only a promising batsman, but he is a regular keeper for Kerala in longer formats, for making him an ideal replacement for Parthiv Patel, while Azharuddin showed his class by smashing established Mumbai bowlers all over the park at their den in Mumbai in Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy en route 137 off 54 balls. He is still inexperienced in IPL. But in him, RCB will have the option to take up an extra foreigner while also giving AP de Villiers some rest from keeping from 20 overs. Furthermore, while Azharuddin did not have any impressive Vijay Hazare Trophy, he did impress the coaches of RCB during short camp, making him an ideal partner for Kohli, and youngster will also get to fulfill his dream to bat with the Indian captain. Second, Finn Allen. The New Zealand batsman made his international debut against Bangladesh in the recently concluded T20 series. While he returned for a golden duck on his debut, he showed his class in the third T20, scoring 29 ball 71. That will somehow be on the mind of Kohli when he makes his team selection. Like AB Day, Allen too can don the big gloves occasionally and that will give Kohli peace of mind. But what can go against Finn selection is that dropping an overseas player, as IPL team can have maximum of 4 foreigners in their playing 11. RCB will have to drop either of Dan Christian or Glenn Maxwell, as AB Day and Kylie Jamieson will be 2 automatic choices. Both Australian all-rounders haven't been at their best of late. In Christian, RCB will have an extra seamer, while in Maxwell, they will get an additional spinner. But with 2 spinners, Washington Sundar and Yuzvendra Chahal in the playing 11, Maxwell, RCB's second highest pick from auction for rupees 14.25 crore, could miss out on his RCB debut if Allen is to get the nod. Hence, in all likelihood, Mohammad Azharuddin is set to make his debut for RCB.